everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1957 Chevrolet 210. Love this car, man. I wish we had some sunshine. So you can see this paint. It is a Saturn gold metallic and it glows in the sun. It is beautiful. Complete body up restoration, ton of documentation for this car that's in the trunk. It is set up like a I would call it a Woodward Saturday night special, like a you would see on Woodward Avenue in the 60s drag racing. It's got that look. It's got great sound. It is so much fun to drive. Killer car. You can see it's got the 15 and 14-inch torque thrust D wheels on it. They have converted it to front disc brakes. Sorry about my voice. This weather change is really taking a toll on it. But I'll try to get through this video. Just killer car. You can see they've updated the headlights. That's a little bug. New chrome, beautiful bumpers on it. Again, gorgeous paint. There's a couple of touch-up marks, but other than that, I didn't see much. It's got 14,000 miles on the resto, guys, so it's a proven car. Really hits the road good. I love the upgrades. And like I say, just a fun car to drive. Tinted glass, touch-up mark there. Wipers work. About the only thing I think on it that didn't work is the tach, and I'd say something's come loose because he said the tach worked. So we'll check it. Maybe in transit or something, wire come loose. Love this color. Beautiful car. So different. Again, new bumpers. Of course, this is where you fill it in 57. Nice and straight down the sides. Look at the stance. I mean, this thing just belongs on Woodward Avenue in the 60s. And it drives so good. Nice and tight, shifts out good. What a great car. Love the flat caps on the rear. Looks like it's got that nostalgia drag look. It's got the Fuelie emblems on it. Again, stainless steel disc brake company, front disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. What a cool cleanup. I think that'll come off, guys. I hope you guys just missed something there. 406, little stroker motor in it. Holley Sniper fuel injection. Muncie M22 4-speed manual transmission. Fun car to drive. Be cool aluminum radiator with electric fan. You see the Holley intake, ceramic headers. It's got the GM double hump heads. Nice little cam in it. Ceramic headers. I love how they did this air cleaner. Finned aluminum valve covers. Great sound. Wait till we fire this thing up, man. Runs out awesome. If you could just get the sun to peek through. This thing, like I say, it glows. This color just jumps off this car. Wipers work. It's been converted to electric wipers. You can see it's got the original, they call it A-pillar chrome on it. Chrome mirror. New door rubbers. Door seams are nice and clean. This is a black cloth interior. I've got new floor mats on the way for it. Headliner looks good. You can detail out the steering wheel. 14,083 miles. That's on your resto. Look at that. See a little Hurst emblem in that little light there? That's a shift light. Radio delete car. It's got that cool vintage tach on it. We'll check that. I'm sure we can make that thing work. He said it was working. Aftermarket gauges, Hurst shifter. There's your Holley Sniper stuff, EFI stuff. Really nice exhaust work. Flowmaster H-pipe dual exhaust. Whoever Bennett did a really nice job. It's got a Currie 9-inch 355 limited slip rear axle. It's got traction bars. Kid, look at the old Sears bias-ply spare, the jack. That's a battery mounted. It's got a trickle charger hardwired into it. How cool is this? Look at all the paperwork. Right back down to this, again, this is all, even the original Virginia safety sticker, 56 and 57. I mean, there is just a ton of paperwork on this car. All goes with it. Really, really cool car. Well, nice underneath. Again, beautiful exhaust work. Whoever bent the exhaust did a great job. Currie 9-inch. I love the look. I mean, I just love everything about this car, man. Fun to drive. You put aftermarket seat belts in it. You can see the dash is nice. Really cool car. Again, I've got the new floor mats on the way for it. Again, it's Holley Sniper fuel injection. Nice little cam. Love it. Fuel gauge is up there, speedo works, and then your aftermarket gauge is down below. It's holding good old pressure. Again, we'll check that tach. Parking brake does work, blower motor works. Nasty sound. Love it. Look how good a job they did of tucking those pipes underneath there. Again, gauges are working. Radio delete, but the blower motor does work. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, wipers work. They've been converted to electric. Updated headlights. Beautiful car, man. Somebody's going to have a blast with that thing. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Tell me somebody's not going to have a blast with this thing. Have a great day.